Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
A woman put baking soda under her eyes and the result was incredible. We all want to have a flawless skin. This can be quite challenging to achieve, but it is still possible. There is a versatile ingredient you probably already have in your home, which is extremely beneficial for the skin. We are talking about baking soda. Baking soda is an amazing ingredient which can protect, heal and nourish the skin on the face. It can be either ingested or applied topically. Due to its properties, baking soda will exfoliate the skin. Moreover, it acts as a deodorant without parabens and aluminum. One of the best ways to use baking soda for the skin is to make a mask. Baking soda face mask. The preparation of this mask is very easy. All you have to do is mix a tablespoon of cool water and 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda. You should get a thick liquid. Then, gently smooth the mask over your clean skin and leave it there for 5-10 minutes. Finally, rinse it off with warm water and gently pat dry. However, if you have a dry skin, make sure you keep the mask on your face for a shorter period. On the other hand, if you have oily skin, leave the mask longer. You should apply an oil-free moisturizer after using this mask. Benefits of baking soda mask. This powerful mask is a great remedy for blackheads. Hence, it will remove the infection that causes blackheads. Moreover, it will loosen your skin to make them easier for you to remove them. This mask is a great treatment for acne and acne scars removal. It speeds up the healing process. Furthermore, the baking soda mask eases the pain from the skin toning and reduce the appearance of the pores. This mask is packed with anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, which soothe that inflammation and make the skin look better. It absorbs the excess oil and prevents pores from clogging. Last but not least, this mask will eliminate the dark circles and under eye bags.